Hey everyone, I am at the Made4You.store website in the Design Studio, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with objects in the design editor. So here I have a blank canvas. You can see, I'll click on settings. It's a Lumapix custom metal photo 12 by 12, and it doesn't really matter. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes, but you can see here my canvas size is set to 12 inches by 12 inches. We'll find objects in the ClipArt section. So if I click on ClipArt, up here at the top, I'll have my tools available to me. I have a freehand pencil, I have a straight line, I have a box, I have a rectangle, I have a circle, and I have an ellipse. And let's just go through them. First one is easy, freehand line. Draw a freehand line. Now the tool panel will come up. First thing I can do is change the stroke size. Stroke size makes the line thicker or thinner. I can change the stroke color. I'll make it red. I can rotate it. I can rotate it either by typing in a number right here or come up here, wait for the cursor to turn into a rotating circle. And if I come back here, I'll make it 0 and put it back where it was. Mousing over it, looking for the crosshairs to turn vertical and horizontal. I'm left clicking, holding, and dragging, and I can move that line around. Okay, let's go to the next one. Clip art, here's a straight line. Straight line, by clicking on it, puts a straight line in the middle of the page, comes in with a very thin stroke. I'm going to select it this way, change my stroke size to 10. Same thing here. Mouse over it, wait for the crosshair to change, left click, drag and hold. You can move that. Same thing. Stroke color, make that orange. Lengthen the line by left clicking and dragging. Next tool is the square. Click on the square, drops a square in the middle of the screen for us. Left click, brings up the handles. Left click, drag, and I can make this square change in any direction that I want. Fill color is right here. Right now it's set to black. Come here, I drag, hold, move over to red. That changes the fill color. If I come down to stroke is the outside border. I'll change that to 10, and I'll change the stroke color, let's say to black. So there we go. Same thing here, I can rotate, put it back to 0. All right, I'll make this small and get it out of the way. Back to the clip art tool. Next one is rectangle, which actually works very similar to the square. That's rectangle. Next, I'll choose a circle, click on it, and it drops a circle into the center of the Design Studio canvas. Click on it, highlights the handles, left click, drag and hold, go up to the upper left corner, drag and hold, center. So what you can see here is the object is constrained to a circle. I will make a color. Let's choose this color right here. Move that down. And then lastly, I'll go to the ellipse. What's different about the ellipse is when I use the handles, the item is not constrained to a perfect circle. Here's a feature I want to show you, which is the eyedropper tool here. If I click on the eyedropper, pulls up the design, and then I can select any color from anywhere else in the canvas. So in this case, I'll pick orange. You see color under cursor switches to orange, selected, and pick it. So that's a great way to move colors from one object to another. That is a quick overview of how to use objects in the Made4You Design Studio located in the ClipArt panel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.